Okay, everybody, I'm going to be making honey curry roasted chicken and vegetables. And I'm going to start with this chicken right here. It's a whole fresh chicken. And I am going to cut this open. And cut this open, season it. And then put it in the oven for 1 hour. Okay, and we're going to remove the inside. Remove some of the fat, if you will. Cut all that fat off. Open up this bag because my hubby likes this part right here. Get there. Chicken in here. What I'm going to go do is give it a good rinse. Set her in here. Got all the goodies. Okay, now let me clean this up here a moment. Give me a few. Okay, we're going to set our chicken back on here. Our base can stay in there. Okay. I'm going to show you all the stuff I'm going to be using for all the ingredients. Those are all the ingredients. I think there's still a few more that I have to get from, like I gotta get the butter. The butter's not there. The butter is at the store and it should be on its way over here pretty soon. Okay, now what I'm going to do to this chicken is I'm going to separate the skin. I'm going to separate the skin without taking it off. I'm going to slide my hand up in there, see? Like so. And just separate it from the muscles or meat or whatever. I'm pretty sure somebody will correct me in the comments. And separate the back as much as you can. Okay. There you go. Now. Okay. Now.